Good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday, the 2nd of April 2021, and it is time for a bit of comedy news. I couldn't resist it. There's never a dull moment in crypto, so let's get into the funny stuff. This was from yesterday. This was probably one of the best April Fools I found really quite funny. This is from Tonic Power. Tonic Power said, "We are so excited to announce integration with Liquid. Things will get faster eventually, just have to do another 18 months of testing, and it's going to be great. If you disagree with this decision, have fun staying poor, run a node." I thought this was great. There we go. So we've got the MasterCard logo there with Liquid and Blockstream. Tired of fast payments on chain? We're taking a giant step backwards into the future. Quality stuff. Quality stuff. There was loads going on yesterday. Quite enjoyed Kurt Wuttock's interview with Elon Moist, where they're going on about the new Tendies meme. I did actually find that very funny. We'll just have a look at Elon Moist now. Elon Moist. There we go. Coin Yeezy. Let's see what we've got here for Tendies. There we go. Tendies supply capped. 616 total. The initial poultry offering is officially over. Secondary market at Twitch.app market. The final batch has been sent out, viewable on Twitch app wallet. Thank you to all who participated. And here we have a Twitch Tendi. Tender chicken. Tender chicken, like tendered Twitter, tendered Twitter chicken. Check it out. They've actually got this is an NFT Tendi. Here we go. I just went inside the anatomy of a Tendi and realised there's no chicken. Scam again, doll. Oh dear. I do love this space. Let's have a look. Here we go. Yeah, the Tendi. We now have an NFT Tendi. That's what it's like. It's like awesome. Loving that. Any more Tendies with hats and stuff? Oh, there we go. Introducing the first ever 3D NFT. The gloves are off. The Tendi is limitless, infinite potential. It's going to revolutionize the blockchain. The future has arrived. All right.
I want some fries and chicken, a side of biscuit, that ain't enough for me. I want a number 3, straight out that oven, nobody get nothing from me. Man, I just want something to eat. I want some...
I'll probably, if I put that on YouTube now, I'll probably get a strike, so I'm going to have to edit that out. Maybe put the full episode up onto Streamanity. Can't do anything on YouTube these days. But anyway, I did think that was quite funny. Always makes me laugh. Now let's look at some of these articles on Cointelegraph. 3 quite funny ones here. Library fires back at SEC over aggressive and disastrous securities complaint. The blacklist marathon-only mining fully compliant Bitcoin transactions. Good luck with that. And this one here says, Corecoin futures premium hits 30%, but analysts say this time it's different. Just like the greatest lie on Wall Street, this time it's different. Let's see how different it is then, shall we? Here we go. Futures traders are using excessive leverage, and historical data shows Corecoin price crashes tend to occur after the futures premium reaches 30%. Oh dear. So March 30th could become a historical day that will be remembered by Corecoin fans for a long time. Besides making a 17% recovery from the 50,300 bottom on March 25th, PayPal officially confirmed that it will support crypto payments for US customers. Moreover, CME Group, that's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Group, announced that its micro Corecoin futures contract will launch on May 3rd with the contract size starting at 0.1 BTC each. Additional bullish news came from Morning Brew. I subscribe to their newsletter, actually. A daily business newsletter with 2.5 million subscribers finally dropped gold and is now exhibiting a cool coin price in its markets section alongside the Standard & Poor's 500, Nasdaq, Dow, and 10-year Treasury and JP Morgan stocks. Woohoo! You know, there we go. Simply put, its price is now noteworthy. March 30th also marks 3 weeks of BTC price having a daily candle close above $50,000. That's as the market indicates a healthy consolidation period, as in like things going down. Traders should closely monitor the levels of leverage being used by investors. Historically, crashes tend to occur when buyers are excessively optimistic, and any sharp price movements larger than 8% tends to trigger a large cascading liquidations. All right, well, again, as I pointed out earlier today on my chart show, if anybody didn't see it, this is basically what Core Coin consists of. Look at that. Look at the amount of tether going into Bitcoin in comparison to like genuine currencies. Remember, this is made up on the spot. And for anybody who didn't see this earlier, Tether printed another $1.2 billion overnight. Literally about, a bit more than 19 hours ago now, as I retweeted it to the New York Attorney General. We'll find it in just a minute because there we go, look at that. Absolutely hilarious. So this was, and that was the 1st of April, a whale alert. I mean, I don't even think it's a joke. But 20 past 4, look, $1.2 billion. That is the only thing that's fueling Core Coin. All these price analysis, bull pennants, ascending triangles, magic carpet rides, whatever you want to call it, it's absolute bollocks. It's total manipulation. It is hilarious. Literally hilarious. Like to the point where you couldn't make it up. I mean, what a joke. Let's see what else there was. Like as if they're taking analysis like seriously, but they do. All these ascending triangles and ball pennants and all this shit. Literally, it's hilarious. I can't remember what the other ones were, but anyway, I thought this was funny. Check this out. So Decrypt has reported on Hashgraph here. So they said, what is Hedra Hashgraph? Hedra Hashgraph presents itself as an alternative to blockchain that's able to quickly and cheaply process transactions. What a load of shit. It's not a commodity. It's a distributed ledger. It is literally nothing more than a centralized database. A distributed centralized database. There is no value in this whatsoever. There's no proof of work, which means it's not truly decentralized. In brief, Hedra Hashgraph is a platform that represents itself as faster and more secure alternative to blockchain. Well, I haven't heard that before. It sidesteps energy-intensive mining because there's no competition in the system because it's a centralized piece of crap by using a technology called direct acyclic graphs. Well, again, there is no competition in these directed acyclic graphs. In most blockchain-based projects, the verification process relies on mining, an energy-intensive process requiring computers to work through friendly-ish, difficult computations to verify transactions. Can Hedra Hashgraph sidestep that problem by removing mining entirely and using an entirely new ledger structure? We find out below. Well, I can tell you, unless there is competition in the system, which proof of work provides, it cannot be considered a commodity, which means it can never be considered as money, which means it can never economically sustain the network that it's trying to do. It's absolute bollocks. It's hilarious that these shitcoiners just don't even get this now, with the amount of money that they pump into all this crap. Like, oh my god. This one here says a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has traded at a discount for more than a month. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has been trading at a significant premium to the price of Bitcoin for the last 30 days. It's gone under. So the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has now been trading at a discount to net asset value for 30 days. In the absence of the US ETF, Grayscale's trust remains the only closest alternative for people who want to trade Bitcoin on the stock market. Again, just pumping and dumping it, not using it because they have no understanding of what it is. Shares in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, a closed-end fund that allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin on the stock market, have now been trading below the price of Bitcoin for 30 days. But again, you're buying shares in the fund. You're not buying Bitcoin. You think that you're investing in it, of which they normally charge a 2% premium. So you're paying more than 2% than the market. You may as well just buy it yourself. Unprecedented for a fund that, since its launch in September 2013, has traded at a hefty premium to the price of Bitcoin. At about 80% of the investments in the trust, which now manage $38.5 billion, is from institutional investors, Grayscale disclosed at the end of last year's third quarter. The Grayscale 2% management fee and avoids this brutal redemption schedule, blah, 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 blah. If you want to buy Litecoin in their trust, they're charging a 1,800% premium. You're paying 18 times to invest in Litecoin, the actual market price of Litecoin. It's a joke. Just don't know how else to say it. Oh my God. And this one here. Here are the biggest celebrities who have launched NFTs. Again, shitcoiners, shit for brains, just trying to make money because they don't really have a clue what cryptocurrency, what Bitcoin is. The NFT craze has seen celebrities racing to mint their own non-fungible tokens. They can't wait to jump on the bandwagon. They've used NFTs to tokenize everything from music to artwork to special live events or live experiences. It's just a joke. It's a fad. There's no value in any of this. It's literally it's JPEGs on a blockchain. is all it is. Like, honestly, you just couldn't make it up. When somebody actually understands this, like I do, you realize just how ridiculous it really is. But let's have a quick look at this. It looks like we have had a little bit of number go up. Price discovery might be kicking in. However, obviously, Tether just printed $1.2 billion. So now we know where that's going. But look at this. Look. Just hold. Bear with me. Look. So look, we've got a price peak started here at 1:55 a.m. This morning, and then if we go to if we actually go to Bitcoin, we'll see when that price spiked. Here we go. View more. Moving up, 24. Oh, look at that. To 247. So look, this is when this price movement started. So this was actually yesterday. So yesterday at 7:25, and Corecoin didn't move until almost like 2 o'clock this morning. So Bitcoin actually had it was like 6 hours. 6 hours ahead, and it's not stopped. So I think there might be price discovery kicking in. So we are almost 13% up in the last 24 hours, 22% in the last week, 32% in the last month, and 45% in the last 3 months. Look at that. That is a trend line. But what's exciting about this is that there's real value in this. This is not a Ponzi scheme. So I wonder who could be buying it. It's people using it because all the dirty traders, remember, they can be unsullied on TDXP. So no need to dump the asset. You can just simply bet on there. But it's looking good, people. It's looking very good. Right, that'll do for a bit of this afternoon comedy news. Catch you guys later for the main show. Get paid for posting your pics on Relica. Download the app now at www.getrelica.com. Get your tweet etched on Twitch, forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. Do it today at www.jointwitch.com. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online. Support independent content creators on micropayment platforms such as Streamanity, Twitch and Relica. We should profit from our data, not the large corporations who track, monitor and sell it. If you enjoy the Bitcoin content that I produce, Please support me by heading over to www.satoshi.tv, where you can keep up to date with all the latest news, gossip and content as it's created. Thanks very much. To get started in Bitcoin, go to freebsv.com, where you can claim your free Bitcoin. Then head over to Twitter and follow @IamSatoshi, where you can take part in his very generous and world famous free giveaways. The future of advertising meets the power of Bitcoin at TonicPow. Get paid for posting advertising campaigns to your social media profiles. Go to www.tonicpowads.com.